Hello my lovely students, today I am here with the next video. In the previous video, we have discussed so many things about the transports. So today, we will discuss and attempt the textual exercise that is given in your textbook. Now students, open the page number 73 of your book. Here is the question, write in front of each picture what the vehicle is used for and draw the pictures of some other vehicles. Here the first vehicle is handcart. This is used to sell vegetables and other such items by the seller. Next picture is postal delivery van. This carries parcel, small packets and letters. मोस्टली इस वैन को आपने पोस्ट ऑफिस के सामने देखा होगा. ये वैन पोस्ट बॉक्स से सारे लेटर्स को निकालकर पोस्ट ऑफिस लेकर जाते हैं. Next is rickshaw with hand operated pedals. This is used by people with disability. Hey kids, can you tell me next vehicle's name? Yes, this is tractor, which is used for plowing the fields or carrying goods. Let's come on the next page. This is double-decker bus. This is a type of bus which carries passengers from one place to another place. और इसकी स्पेशलिटी ये होती है कि इसमें 2 फ्लोर होते हैं. इस बस के अंदर लैडर से ऊपर जाया जाता है. Now the second picture is ambulance. This carries patients from home to hospital or from hospitals to home. आपने देखा होगा एम्बुलेंस व्हाइट कलर की होती है और उस पर रेड क्रॉस का साइन बना हुआ होता है. In the next box, you have to draw vehicles of your own. So here I have drawn a truck. Truck is used to carry goods from one place to another place. Second photo is water tank. This is used to carry water to supply to people. In this photo, you can see people are filling water from the water tanker. Here I added one more, that is fire engine. फायर इंजन ऐसे व्हीकल्स होते हैं जब बिल्डिंग में आग लगती है तब फायर इंजन को बुलाकर उस फायर को बुझाया जाता है. लेट्स कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 73. Here is one activity. Names of some vehicles are given in the center of a wheel. यहाँ पर व्हीकल्स के नेम दिए गए हैं. आपको ये बताना है कि एक व्हीकल्स में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं और कौन से व्हीकल्स किससे चलते हैं. Here is the answer. You can write your own answers also. Now, to ask your elders, how did people travel 50 years ago? Were the present means of travel available at that time also? आप अपने grandparents से पूछिए कि जो vehicles present time में हैं, क्या ये vehicles उनके time में भी चलते थे? I think no. In olden times, people used animal to go one place to another place. Like elephant, camel cart, bullock cart, palki and horse cart. Let's come on the next page. Hey kids, do all the vehicles make same kinds of sound? No, all the vehicles make different kinds of sound. So here is the question and answer also given on the screen. You write it in a textbook. Sound. It is of train. Beep beep, this is of scooter. Honk honk, this is of truck. Tup tup tup, this is of horse-driven cart. Grrr grrr, this is of motorcycle. Tring tring, this is of bicycle. Children, what all can you see in the picture? We can see a building has got fire and a fireman are trying to put out the fire. Which vehicles can you see in the picture? We can see ambulance, fire engine and a police van. Now what are these vehicles usually used for? Fire engine is used to control fire. Ambulance is used to carry injured people and police is there for security. That's it for today kids. We will meet again in next video.